He would just propose change the React docs to stop recommending create React app and start using Vite template instead. Dan Abramov just responded to that thread. He went into a lot of detail of what CRA does for Facebook, why they have it, what kind of options do they have for it going forward. A lot of people, including me, were just thinking that they will stop recommending CRA and will say, hey, just use Next.js, and then goes into a bit of detail why they don't want to do that. So we're surprised to see that they actually want to go into more of a way that Vite does it, where if you do create Vite, you can actually get into most of the Vite project initializers. So you do create Vite, but you can then select Nuxt or Svelte and so on. So it's interesting that they want to go into that route, and they still want to keep some kind of like simplified single page app only option that is going to be CRA for now, but maybe something along the lines of Vite template.